In this topic set on volume and surface area, we'll introduce the basic equations necessary to calculate volume and surface area for rectangular prisms and cylinders. It'll also expand on the algebra skills from the previous topic set and look at rearranging the volume formula and have you extend your understanding and apply it to density questions. Let's do a surface area question and see what knowledge you're bringing with you. It's the same picture in the previous introduction. Now, estimate the amount of drywall and the number of drywall sheets needed to drywall the entire ensuite bathroom, walls and ceiling. Drywall sheets remain 4 by 8. The height of the room is still 8 feet tall, and the width of the pocket door is still 3 feet wide. Pause the video, do your work, and then choose from the following options. We will look at the volume equations for rectangular prisms and cylinders separately in the course, but we can combine the ideas to solve an applied problem such as the one given here. A contractor has to place 8 posts as shown. He has square 4-inch wide posts that he wants to put inside and that he needs to put inside 12-inch diameter round holes. The holes are dug 4 feet 4 inches deep, but only 4 feet of the square posts are to be submerged. How many bags of ready-mix concrete does the contractor require if one bag makes half a cubic foot of concrete? Pause the video, do your work, then choose the answer from those given. When rearranging formulas to solve for variables, sometimes we have to combine our knowledge of formula manipulation along with our knowledge of exponents. A metal rod has a volume of 1.34 cubic meters. The rod is 0.801 meters long. Determine the radius by rearranging the volume formula and solving for R. Pause the video, do your work, and then choose from the following options. Great work! If you didn't get it the first time, don't worry. The lesson modules will explain all of the steps in detail. Enjoy!